like the wood grain detail on that one. Oh, do we love this? Hello, and welcome back to another vlog. Today we have finally gotten out the house after a week of just working and being in our pajamas all week. First week of summer, we were just in our pajamas all week. But today, I dragged the kids out of the house and made them come and do something I want to do for once, because I'm always gladly doing what they want to do. But today, we are at Restoration Hardware Outlet, and I am so excited. And so what we're looking for today is, of course, living room furniture for whenever this divorce is finally over. We need new living room furniture, dining room furniture, and I just bought furniture for the baby's room. If they have some accent pieces, I would love to do that. But let's just go see what they have. Yes. Excuse me. My goodness, that's like $33,000. Hi.
How are you?
Doing great. You like that?
Couch over there was so cold and so soft.
Oh, you like this brown one? Let me see. Cold and soft. Yeah, let's see what else they have. I want something a little lighter, even though I need a brown sofa with kids. You like that one too?
Yes.
I love the size of these. Pre-approved. Yeah, it's not big enough. I like the slip cover look. I like that.
This is soft.
I love this bed. I don't need a bed, but this is cute.
Mommy, can you get this for my bed?
I love this bed.
Me too.
For now, yes. Yes. This bed is nice. I love this. This one is nice too. I like the wood grain detail on that one.
I like the bed we can't put anything under.
Look at this piece of artwork. Oh, do we love this? $740, originally $1,800. That is nice. I love it. it looks like everything in here is pretty much half off of the original price.
These are rolling chairs. I like them.
Oh yeah.
I want to.
In a dining room,
Yeah.
not in the regular eating kitchen, because
No, yes.
y'all will be rolling all over the place. How is it that we ended up in beds? I did not come for beds, but this is cute too. I like the fluted, what's that called? Fluted, I think. Then they have the matching dressers. Nice. Oh, it's got the soft clothes. Did you see that? 2,000. This matches that bed over there that I liked. Yeah. Oh, nice. This is cute. 5,000. This thing is almost tall as me. $225. A pillow.
This table is so long.
It's a coffee table. You're supposed to be seated.
Thinking of the car. Yes, you can.
It's like a storage book set.
Yeah.
It's huge. This will not fit in our space. This is fit in our house now, but not in the house we're thinking about getting. This is the size sofa that I need. What's that? What?
No, that's a lot.
What color is this though? Does it say?
Is this me?
Sit on it.
This is not me.
No, it's not soft.
No. It feels like I'm sitting on a rock. It's not me approved.
This is $2,700 for the table. I don't know how much the chairs are. Oh, it's very solid. I love it.
The chairs are me approved.
Oh, here's the price on the chairs. $630 per chair. See, this one says sand. What color does this say? Oh, latte. I like that. I don't know how I missed that the first time. I hate that color. I hate that color.
I know, but it's me approved.
Is this the cappuccino one that we liked? What was it called?
Mochaccino.
This is it. Free.
Oh, and it's me approved.
This is it.
I was waiting.
She's so pretty in real life.
She is so pretty. Let me sit on it.
She needs to be bigger.
This is cool. Then I can just get two chairs like
Oh, like that?
instead of a one big couch.
But don't you need? Everyone needs a space where they go like this.
Do we love this color or do we like the latte better?
A latte or
I
this?
love both of them.
This is mochaccino and And that's the latte. I think I like latte. It's a little bit lighter. But this color is so nice. So I'm thinking about doing a sofa this size. Everybody can just spread out on that sofa and then do 2 chairs with it. I don't know if I want this curly shearling, 2,000 a piece. She loves the canopy style bed.
So pretty though.
I do like it. I don't know if I want it though.
Right here, right there, and right there.
You want curtains on the bed? I see. Yeah. I love these big cabinets. How tall is this?
Oh, how do you open them?
48 inches.
Oh, is it kind of like pressed to open?
I don't know. It's not opening. Oh, look at this picture. Oh my gosh, I love the size of that. Well, that one's 1,500.
That's pretty.
Okay, this is what I really came in here for, the tables. This is the one that I wanted, but the lighter version. Oh man, this is the brown one. I wanted the natural wood one. But I love this.
The brown one though, it's so cute. And I like the structure of it on
I do like that brown. That brown isn't bad at all. How much it says it is? 3,000?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not bad. exactly what well, it's not exactly what I wanted. I wanted the lighter one. Do us like this way and take off the covers. How they gonna do us like this and take off the covers, the slip covers? I wouldn't even know where to buy one at. You would have to get them custom made. These have covers. I don't think they're supposed to be on the ground like that. Oh, this is nice. I like this whole set. You would have to get covers made for it though. You do? You love it?
Yeah, me too.
price.
Make sure they
Oh, these are pillow covers.
Oh, that's soft.
This is pretty.
What is
This blanket is so soft. So pretty. Let's see. $435. Okay. It's another throw. This is pretty as well. I love that. Okay, although those prices were still a lot, they were really good for restoration hardware. Definitely once we get everything in place, we will be back. Okay, and I don't know what I did to deserve this, but Home Goods is right next door to Restoration Hardware Outlet, and we're here.